In June last year, 2024, the British Trust for Ornithology put out a press release numbered 2024-19. In it they stated, "One of the UK's favourite garden birds, the blackbird, is in rapid decline, and members of the public are being asked to help scientists find out why." Unfortunately, last year, our garden in the centre of Norwich was noticeably devoid of this species. Now, as we move into 2025, not only do we have a new survey coming up in May, we do have breeding blackbirds once again. Mixed in with the other resident species, they have been joining the daily feed, as requested by the BTO, to supplement their diet. Shot in 4K on a Sony AX43, we will endeavour to capture images during the course of 2025, which we will share on this channel. The project is part of the vector-borne radar project run in partnership with the Animal and Plant Health Agency, the UK Health Security Agency, and the Zoological Society of London. Whilst not being an obvious subject for a documentary special interest group of the Royal Photographic Society, we are more than happy to do a spot of wildlife on the side, as this invasive mosquito-borne virus is not nice. For details of the survey and other birdie bits, just Google the BTO in Thetford, which will take you directly to their site.